tong cake kay Kins. Yan, ang aga ng pa-birthday natin sa kanya, guys. Yan lang. Ibigay natin sa kanya. Happy birthday to you. Inigay ko na yung birthday gift ko sa'yo. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Sponsored by Ezekiel and Jamie. Yan. Oh, what is your message? Wow, may pag-message.
Salamat.
Salamat. O sige na, babay na. Love you. Love you.
Nagising na tuloy to.
May bitter. Bitter.